So, hey everyone, welcome back to our cybersecurity series. So, today we are going to talk about something that almost every one of us uses every single day, which is websites. So, whether you are shopping online, scrolling through a social media account, or booking a flight, or checking your bank account, or you are using a web application, but you have ever stopped and wondered how secure are these websites? And what if someone could steal your information just because of one tiny mistake in the website? So let's find out. Imagine your favorite restaurant accidentally leaves its kitchen door open, and customers only need access to the dining area. But because of one small mistake, someone could walk into the kitchen as well. So that's exactly how many cyber attacks begin. So in cybersecurity, protecting websites is called web application security. To help companies build safer websites, and security experts follow something called OWASP Top 10. So think of it as top 10 most common website security mistakes that every developer should avoid. But here's the best part. Professionals don't practice on real websites. Instead, they using training websites like Juice Shop, like DVWA, which are purposely built with security weaknesses so people can learn safely and legally. Now let's look at two famous attacks. Imagine you order one burger, but because of a mistake, the waiter accidentally gives you access to the entire restaurant, kitchen, and storage room. So that's similar to SQL injection, where someone tricks a website into revealing much more information than it should. So now imagine someone secretly placed a fake message inside a trusted package. So when you open it, you believe it's safe, but it's actually harmful. So that's similar to cross-site scripting or XSS. And here's one more. Imagine someone tricks you into clicking on approve button without you realizing what it actually does. So you thought you were clicking one thing, but something completely differently happened. So that's similar to CSRF attack. So to find these problems before hackers do, cybersecurity professionals use tools like Burp Suite or SQL Map or etc. So to safely test websites and help companies to fix security issues. So remember, a website doesn't become secure by luck. It becomes secure because someone tested it before a hacker did. So want to learn how to test websites like a cybersecurity professional? So follow SkySafe and enroll today to learn with real world practicals and hands-on labs. And if you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.